time to go wake them up for their second day of camp. She said that her first day of camp was pretty well, so I hope she has a good second day too. Let me just make the bed and I'll go make breakfast and I'll go wake them up. I just want to make sure that they have enough sleep so they can actually do fun stuff at camp because I don't want them to be overtired. I'm going to make some pancakes because that's their favorite food. So I'm just going to put those on the table and then I'm going to go wake them up. Okay, I'm going to wake them up now. Bella, April, it's time to wake up. You guys have your second day of camp.
Okay, Mom.
Bella,
What?
it's time to wake up and get ready for camp. It's your second day.
The only thing I don't like about camp is that I have to get up early.
Please make your beds and pack your camp bag, and breakfast is on the table for you guys.
It's only 6 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, but camp starts at 9. You have to be there early.
I'm so tired.
It's okay. You guys will get over it soon. What do you guys want to drink?
I don't know.
How about milk?
Yes.
Okay.
Please.
All right. I'll give them some milk.
I'm going to downstairs.
Okay, April, you can pick what dish you want. They're both the same, but whatever. You can pick the seat. I'm going to read the news for today. Warning, there is going to be a severe thunderstorm today. Camps are still in action, but be careful. Hail might be possible. Tornado warnings might be possible too. If you get a warning from your camp, pick up your kids as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the news channel. That was a little weird. What's wrong? It's okay, you guys are fine. You'll be fine at camp. I'll come pick you up if anything bad happens.
Okay.
Come eat.
Mommy, are you sure we'll be okay?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah. Are you 100% right?
I think so. Did you guys pack your bug spray?
No.
Okay,
I'm trying to get my backpack right now.
alright, are you ready? You gotta come eat quickly.
I don't know where my bag is. No, I'm trying to get my backpack.
Here's your bag, April. There you go. Yep. I'm gonna go set up all the things for the severe thunderstorm that's coming to make sure that the backyard's okay.
Is it warning?
Takes pool floats and puts away. Okay, now that I've done that,
Is it warning or what?
it's a warning right now. Yes, April? Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Alright, your food's on the table. Oh yeah, okay. I forgot she likes to sit in the baby seat. I'm just gonna give her I'm gonna place down her pancake and Bella should be out soon. Bella, come eat quickly. We have to leave in 5 minutes.
Okay.
You're taking way too long.
Mommy,
I'm gonna start up the car.
Mommy, can I put some hair dye in today?
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
Be quick though. I'm gonna grab a coffee and then I'm gonna take
Oh, hi, Mommy. You like my dye?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Yep, I'm gonna go buckle your sister in the car, okay? Come here, April. Alright, we're gonna go buckle you in the car, and you guys are excited for camp? It's only your second day.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun.
I'm scared for the thunderstorm.
It's okay.
Yeah,
Sheesh, it looks like it's raining a little. It looks like it's sprinkling, so I'm gonna shut the roof. It didn't say what time this thunderstorm is supposed to come, so I have no idea. But let's get you guys to camp.
why did this guy laugh? Yeah.
It's because it's quite early in the morning. It's only 7 in the morning, and the sun is just taking a little bit to come out. It's okay. Usually when there's like a thunderstorm happening, we'll get pretty foggy. It is pretty foggy though. We're good.
Why the moon out?
That's the moon is going away right now. The sun is coming out. Don't worry.
What are you doing? Why did you just go on the glass? Oh yeah.
Okay, guys. We just arrived at your campsite.
Are you sure we're gonna be safe?
Yep, and if you're not, I will come pick you up.
Oh my gosh, I just fell asleep in the car.
Yeah, why don't you guys go into the campsite? It's starting to rain a little harder now. Bye, guys. See you when I come pick you up.
Everybody, get under a tent now. It's about to hail. Warning, warning. Ah! Sissy, come on! Let me pick you up. Stop, let me pick you up.
Attention all drivers on Bloxy River. This is a special warning that this thunderstorm is moments away from hitting us. Please be safe and campsites might be canceled. Thank you.
Everybody,
Hopefully they're okay and hopefully their campsite doesn't get canceled because I have some things to do around the house today.
I just emailed all your parents that once it starts hailing, thunderstorming, and lightning, they have to come as quick as possible. And if they don't, then we will get you under real shelter, no tents. So for now, you guys can play like cards, you can play some board games, but it should be lightning and thundering soon. So everybody, relax, don't be scared, and your parents will be here soon. Thank you.
I hope they're okay. They seemed really scared to go.
Thank goodness I brought my tablet. Seriously? No. Wait, I got a text mommy. Calls mom.
Answers. Yes, Bella?
Mommy, the camp counselor just said if it starts thundering, lightning, and hailing, which is already starting to hail, I hear a little bit of thunder. Can you please come right away? I want you to be the first parent.
I will try to, okay?
I'm really scared. Me and April are about to cry.
It's okay. I'll come pick you up soon, alright?
Oh no! I just realized something.
Yeah?
I have washable hair dye.
It's okay. I'm gonna come on. I gotta stop for gas, so I guess I should come start picking you guys up now. It's been like 2 hours.
No, it's only been, it's been like about 3 hours.
Alright, I'm coming now, alright? Bye.
Yeah, just hang up on me. I'm scared.
Uh-oh, it's already starting to hail.
lightning. And we have a bunch of parents sitting in their car. So I'm going to do it as fast as possible. Amaya Turner. Sissy. Yeah, they've got names for everything. Amaya Turner. Carter Kardashian. Mike Wazowski. Carden. Mount.
Perfect.
These are my parents' real. Child's name. Yep. Is it? Okay. Isabel Ash. Okay. Adriana and Olivia. Olivia Smart. Mia Tobacco. Summer. Yesterday. And that's it for now. Everybody, zip up your tents as soon as possible. Like right now. Oh, I see another car. Okay.
I'm almost there to the campsite.
Runs down to the car. Hey, what's your child's name? What's your child's name? Hello, what's your child's name?
Okay, I've just pulled in. I hope they're good.
What's your child's name? The person in the yellow car. What is your child's name?
April and Bella.
April and Bella.
The last name too? Okay. The April and Bella Swingo.
Bella and April Lingo. Look at the ear. It says, wait, let me turn you. Ah! Run! Guys, not coming down. Go as fast as you can. Go!
Come on, kids, get in the car. Come on, guys. I'll buckle you up. Quick.
Oh my god, this guy just...
All right, come on. Get in, Bella. All right. Attention, all people driving in their vehicles. This is a tornado warning of Bloxy Acres. Take shelter as soon as possible. Thank you. Uh-oh. Guys, I see the tornado behind us. I know. We have to go. Quick.